Hello, my name is Mark Simpson and welcome to the Boostly podcast. We are in season 7, episode 6, and today we're talking about pricing. If you could just explain to me, I've never heard of it before, in very simplistic terms, what do you do and how do you benefit like short stay accommodation owner?
We started off there to say, hey, at least everybody should be doing seasonal pricing or property in Brooklyn. So that was like, we started off there to say, hey, at least everybody should be doing seasonal pricing. But then there's a lot more to it. Like weekends usually have a lot more demand than weekdays. There might be a big holiday or an event coming up where you can increase prices, or maybe if nobody's booking, you should reduce your prices. So what we tend to say is don't keep prices static. Even if you have seasonal prices, weekend prices, go in often and change those. And what dynamic pricing services do is do that on your behalf. You still get to set controls. You still get to say in high season, don't drop my prices this, even in low season, but let some automation do the work for you.
If you act now on dynamic pricing, and don't just go on Airbnb and tick that box, because that is not what we're saying. Look at somebody like PriceLabs. There are a ton of other companies. It doesn't have to be PriceLabs. This is the one that I recommend, I like. I've got them on the blog, like Danny, who I trust massively from Optimize My B&B, is recommending them, and I've looked at everything, and I think it's a super simple setup. Start to look into it. So I'm going to be talking about this a lot more. Boostly Academy members, you're going to be hearing me talk about it a lot more. The podcast, we're going to be talking about pricing, because I believe this is something that is going to be really important. But Anurag, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in today.